Chloe, it's finally here! The big skate contest!
I know, Leo. I've been practicing all week.
Are you ready to show them what you've got?
Born ready. Let's warm up. First trick of the day.
Looking good, Chloe! Hey, Sparky! Found a new toy?
Look at him go! A dog on a board!
He's trying to be like us.
He's actually pretty good for a dog.
Maybe he'll enter the contest.
Welcome, LEGO City! Our judges are ready! Good morning, everyone! Let the games begin!
I'll be looking for precision and style.
Hi, I'm Leo, and this is Sparky. He'd like to sign up too. A dog? I'm sorry, pal. It's a human-only contest. But he's really good. He skates. All right, that's something. But rules are rules. Please, he just wants to try.
Technically, he's a licensed pet of LEGO City. Doesn't that count for something?
Mayor Goodheart, a quick rules clarification.
Yes, Mike. Everything in order. A true sportsman always allows a challenger. Let the dog skate. That's it! All right, then. We have our most unique contestant ever. Yes! Go, Sparky! Welcome to the LEGO City Skateboard Contest. Get ready for some amazing tricks. First up, it's Rad Ricky. Time to shred.
Excellent form. Good execution, clean landing.
Next up, the electrifying zooming Zara.
Let's go, LEGO City!
Dynamic and with such grace. A perfect 10 for style. Up next, Gamer Greg, who been training hard. Wish me luck? Oops, my bad, folks.
Good effort, young man.
Execution needs improvement. Points for trying. Next up, a local favorite, Leo. Here we go! Very smooth, Leo. Textbook perfect. And now, for our final contestant of the first round, the one, the only, Sparky! Go on, Sparky, you can do it!
Well, this is certainly unique.
Let's see if he can clear the ramp, not just sniff it.
Come on, Sparky, try again!
You got this!
A solid start. Points for novelty. Surprisingly stable. Who knew? He's getting it! Amazing!
Incredible! I've never seen anything like it.
Form could be tighter, but that was unexpected air.
He's a natural!
Who knew dogs could skate so well?
What a performance from Sparky! The judges have their work cut out for them. The judges are tallying the scores for round 1. And there you have it, our finalists, including a certain 4-legged shredder. We did it, Sparky! You're in the finals!
Now for the really big tricks.
The stakes are higher, the ramps are bigger. Welcome to the final round. A true master of the air. Flawless execution. Absolutely phenomenal. A perfect score. The pressure is on. Our final competitor. It's Sparky's turn for a final trick.
Just have fun, Sparky. You're the best boy.
Did you just see that? A dog just invented a new trick.
He did it! He really did it!
Sparky, you're a superstar!
Folks, I think we just witnessed history. Unprecedented, maximum points. All right, Sparky, you win. Just take it. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, the winner of the LEGO City Skateboard Contest is Sparky, the skateboarding dog. A truly unforgettable contest. And the most valuable paw player